Zimbabwe's government is pushing to amend the constitution, sparking debate on whether this can be done without a referendum. The constitution, section 328, outlines the process. Amendments require a two-thirds majority in parliament, and for certain provisions, a national referendum. Samina Mashukatoya Pangwa Inwe, unpacking Zimbabwe's constitutional changes. And was subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timina Vanamobdan Consciency. Avoiding a referendum raises concerns about democratic legitimacy. The people voted overwhelmingly for the 2013 constitution, and altering it without their direct input undermines their sovereignty. Critics argue that bypassing a referendum is undemocratic, disregarding the people's right to decide. The international community will likely view constitutional tampering as a significant setback for democracy. Zimbabwe's reputation, already fragile, would suffer further. The world may perceive this as a power grab, fueling instability and complicating re-engagement efforts. Zimbabwe must ask, is avoiding a referendum a sign of disrespect for the people's voice? The constitution belongs to the citizens, not just politicians. A referendum would provide clarity on the people's will, ensuring any changes reflect their aspirations. The entrenched provisions are prescriptive in the sense that, in addition to the two-thirds majority, a referendum is unavoidable. Failure to conduct a referendum, therefore, is against the constitutionalism principle. It is important to observe that there is not only need to adhere to the constitution, but the respect for the people's constitutionalism. In short, Section 9 lists exceptions where a referendum is not required for constitutional amendments. These include amendments to certain sections listed in B to specific acts of parliament, amendments approved by two-thirds majority of parliament total membership. Let's break it down further. Section 328, Section 9 lists exceptions where a referendum is not required for constitutional amendments. Do mashukano nyogwa pangwa ine atiri kuona kuti pangwa ine it is unpacking why ZANU-PF Iowa must consider a referendum just amending the constitution without involving the citizens who voted for the 2013 constitution hazvisi kugamuchirika, hazvisi kumeka sense. Pena comment section medu dzafunguro aim to leave pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.